Hey guys, this is Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures, and today we're going to be going over the Cofiyard Propane Dual Burner 17,000 BTU stove. I also have the 20,000 BTU stove here to just do some comparisons. I'll let you guys decide which ones you like more. This is the 20,000 BTU stove. This is a 17,000 BTU stove, which we'll be using today. So both stoves come with a nice little carrying case, and then they come with an adapter to run to this style propane canister, or you can have your own reusable type. That's up to you guys. So both stoves have a similar type of holder that holds it together, and they both split open. So this is a 17,000 BTU one, this is a 20,000 BTU one. As you can see, there's quite the size difference. So if you're looking to cook on a compact area, I think this would be your better choice. And they both have different ignition systems. So they both feature a knob to control your gas, but the 17,000 BTU one has a clicker to ignite it. Whereas on this one, you just rotate the knob all the way to the end stop and then click. I think both work fine. That's really just a personal preference. Something else I noticed that's different is this one, the grates are semi-contained. In this one, they just lift right off. That could be a plus or minus, really just depends on who you are. What I can tell you is when you have this thing stored and then flip it open, these grates almost always fall out, but it's really not a big deal to me. Alright guys, so today I'm out fishing and I'm going to just go ahead and cook a hamburger and some butter noodles. It should be a pretty easy meal, but it should demonstrate the cooking capabilities of this stove, no problem. This step is the same no matter which stove you get, but you have to thread the propane adapter on, which that's easy. Then once you do, you just thread your propane bottle into the adapter. I'm not sure how much propane this bottle's got, so it may or may not get through the whole video. We'll see. Okay, so for these butter noodles, I have to add about a half a bottle of water. We're going to add some butter. Now I'll get this heating up here in a second. I'll show you guys the process to ignite the camp stove. It's overall pretty easy to ignite. All you do is just turn the heat up some. And then just like that, it's lit. The flame is hard to see on this, but believe me, it's lit. Alright, now that the flame's lit, we'll go ahead and get our pot with a little bit of water and the butter. We'll get that boiling. This should boil relatively quickly. I'll go ahead and move the camera a little closer so that you guys can actively watch. Alright, this is quickly getting to a boil. It'll be there here soon. If I want, I can turn this up as well. This is halfway. It's definitely hot. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add the noodles. Yep, there you go. It's actually starting to boil now. Turn it down. We'll set a timer for 7 minutes, and we'll go ahead and start cooking the hamburgers. Now I've got this turned down almost completely to where there's no flame. I can't hardly hear it at all. We'll go ahead and start cooking a hamburger. I've had these hamburgers that I'm going to cook before. I know they're fatty, so I don't need to add anything to the pan. I'll turn this down some more. Oh, I messed up. I forgot to unclick the holder. This is going to take me a minute to be able to touch this. Try to air out. That's very helpful. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. I did forget my spatula at home. I've got this thing turned down as low as I can go. Now I'm going to go get a plate and get my hamburger buns ready. I've also got some onions to cook. Sounds like that is my alarm for the butter noodles. We'll turn them off. Probably need to keep moving this around, try to burn some spots. Alright, I got a couple of my hot sauces. Let's move this around just to make sure it's not burning. We'll get a clip of plating this thing up. I love sauteed onions. Toss us some butter noodles on here. Overall, it had no problems at all. I used it in dual burner for most of it. Like I said in the video, I probably need to get some sturdier pots. These are not the best, but that's what I got. And then I'll just throw them in the fridge when I'm done. Overall, this is an amazing dinner for me, so I'm super happy. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.